Where are you from?
Yes, Sweden.
Tourist.
Yes, yes.
What's your name?
Yes, Per-Olof. Very hard to say.
You are coming from Delhi, na?
No, good. Kolkata side.
Acha, Kolkata. Okay. There is not such traffic in Sweden
Sometimes depends on the station.
because European countries are more developed than India.
India is also developing. Trains are better in India, I think. Very good.
Actually, India is more populated than China, and the population is now still increasing day by day. The approx temperature of Sweden now.
South and north is very cold.
I know.
Minus 20.
In the east of Sweden, Russia is located.
Huh?
In the east of Sweden, Russia is located.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sweden, Finland, neighbor countries.
Neighbor. The best subject is geography.
No. I am the student of political science, but I am also good in geography.
It's belonging to European Union.
Yes.
You want anything else to do?
Britain pull out self from the
What?
Britain pull out self from the European
Yeah,
Union.
exactly. Brexit. So some people in our country also they want to pull out. So they say Swexit. So in your political science you read about all these things.
Actually, I read the current affairs in English,
Oh, yeah.
so I got the notification about the.
So good luck with your studies and your degrees. That will become master of political science. Or,
What?
what is your degree? You will reach to
I am masters in political science,
master.
postgraduate.
May God help you to get a good job there.
What?
May God help you to get a good job
Okay,
there.
okay.
But you will stay here or you will go to Delhi and,
For the exam,
for a job.
for government job exam.
Good luck with that.
Competition is also very tough in India
I understand that.
because people want to do government job.
So many people are looking for one job.
You have to study hard to get a government job.
Yeah.
You have to study minimum 8 hours.
And then when the hot season comes, that becomes difficult to study in the daytime. I don't know what people, they study early morning or what. Because when it is very hot, it's difficult to study.
Kolkata was the formal capital of India in the British period.
Yeah. Now it is very crowded actually.
Kolkata is also very crowded.
Yeah. Here is more reasonable.
Because this is also the capital. Kolkata is capital of West Bengal, and this is Ranchi. This is the capital of Jharkhand.
This station is better than Howrah.
Howrah, Kolkata. This is Ranchi Junction.
Too many people.
What do you do in Sweden for your livelihood?
Yes, I did some business administration.
Business administration.
And now
IT sector.
for building construction.
Okay.
Now retired. I'm an old man. You're a young man. Your future is
How old are you?
guess how. What do you think?
Approx 65 to 70.
Yes. 68.
68. My father is also about 65, 66.
Be careful for your health.
And where are you going now?
Yeah, we are looking for a train.
Varanasi. Oh, that's a great city. Day before the yesterday, I visited there.
Oh, yeah.
Ganga Ghat.
So you are on tour. You're traveling.
No, no, no. I went there for some religious purpose.
Oh yeah. Religious place.
You will also find some foreigner there.
Oh yeah. Famous place.
I had visited Varanasi in 2019. Then I met Michael John from New Zealand. And the second person was, I'm forgetting the name.
It's coming all over the world.
He was from London, but I'm forgetting the actual location. He told me. And day before the yesterday when I went Varanasi, I also found a group of Japanese people. Japanese people. Mostly.
Many they come there.
Yes. I am not good in English, na?
Yeah, very good.
Good.
No problem. My English is not perfect.
No.
Swedish. Jag pratar svenska förstår du ingenting.
What?
I spoke Swedish. You don't understand. My tribal language.
But in a traveling period, you have to speak English.
Yeah. It's easy to communicate with anyone. So this one is just on time.
Going Delhi. The train departure is 8:10.
Yeah, but I got this
8:10,
train,
ah.
this train for.
I am also waiting for that train.
But this train is going to Delhi.
Maybe
How many hours to reach?
Delhi.
20 hours.
No, 20 nahi. 15? Na.
Tomorrow evening it will be. Tomorrow evening.
Oh, 24 hours.
24 hours.
20
The time varies from train to train. Who is the new Prime Minister in Norway?
Norway. That's
I am forgetting his name.
yeah. He also.
He is also very populated in India.
Oh, he's before there was a woman. Now there is this new man. I forgot.
New man, I am forgetting. The coalition government is working there.
Oh, what's that?
The coalition government is working there in Norway.
Norway is kind of a small population, but has a very long coastline. A lot of fish. Eat a lot of fish.
He also openly speaks about the migration.
Where in Norway?
In Norway and in Europe also. Many people from North Africa like Egypt and the neighbor country do migrate in Europe.
Yes. So because of the problem in Syria, a lot of people came. Syria is not stable. There's so much fighting.
Syria, Israel,
Yeah.
Egypt is something better than Syria, Lebanon, Iran, Iraq. Actually, Syria was very good before 2010,
Yeah.
but civil war.
Many of them came to Sweden also. Some Syrian people.
Okay. Now they put the display.
Oh, now this is the right train.
ट्रेन आ रही है ना?
This says S. Okay.
Okay,
talking
nice to meet you.
Yes. Good luck with your applications and your exams.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.